Now let's take a look at a visualization of a typical installation site. Keep in mind that riser sections connecting two GPK fittings will be various lengths from the main line. We recommend following ASTM standard D2321, standard practice for underground installation of thermoplastic pipe for sewers and other gravity flow applications, and the Unibel Handbook of PVC Pipe Design and Construction for proper installation. The stresses on fittings can be equal at any depth, regardless of how deep the trench is. Almost all fitting failures can be traced back to this critical step in the installation process: inadequate riser installation. So let's take a look at the bedding of pipe and fittings at a job site. Here you can see GPK fittings with a Y branch coming off at 45 degrees. It is at this point where proper installation must be done in order to avoid future system failures. The first step is to always provide a solid foundation under the mainline pipe and fitting. The main point of this support is to prevent the pipe and fitting from settling. If that happens, it can change the angle of the attached riser pipe, putting added stress on the fittings. It's important to understand that pipe and fitting must connect in true alignment in order to maintain the integrity in the system and reduce stresses. As you can see in this animation, if the mainline fitting settles, the angle of the riser pipe, which is embedded in the soil, causes pressure on the fitting, creating a break and system failure. The best bedding for pipe and fittings is always undisturbed soil. But in the event that is not possible, properly compacted fill of various types can be effective, as prescribed by the design engineer or the specifying agency. Local conditions may call for concrete pads and even encasement of the entire connection, pipe, and fitting in concrete. After the mainline fitting and pipe has been secured, the next critical area is the grade of the trench wall upon which the riser pipe will be laid. If the sidewall is not cut to grade to allow the riser to be laid firmly against undisturbed soil, differential settlement may occur later, leading the riser to transition from vertical to horizontal, causing more downward stress than the fittings are designed to withstand. In these situations, additional engineer designs are necessary to reduce the chances of system failure.